Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the QR image so the brush captures it cleanly. Export a high-contrast PNG or SVG at 300-1200 pixels. This keeps edges sharp when stamping. In Ibis Paint X, go to Brush, right arrow, New Brush, right arrow, Brush Shape, Import. Choose your QR file and make sure transparency is preserved. If the QR has extra margins, trim or flatten the canvas first. Once the image is loaded as a brush shape, you'll be ready to adjust behavior and spacing. Now you configure how the brush stamps the QR. Set spacing high, near 100%, to produce single, separate QR stamps. Lower spacing causes overlap. For fidelity, disable rotation and keep size jitter at 0 or very low. QR codes must stay square and upright to scan. If you need pixel-perfect blocks, disable anti-aliasing so edges remain sharp. Also set brush opacity to 100%. Once configured, test on a new layer to confirm the QR reads correctly after stamping. Finish by testing and exporting. Stamp the QR on a plain background, export a high-quality PNG, and scan with your phone. If it doesn't scan, make sure resolution is high enough, compression is off, and contrast is strong. Increase size or use nearest neighbor scaling. Also check that no rotation or anti-aliasing altered the blocks. Once everything scans, save the brush preset and back up the original QR image so you can reproduce the result. If problems persist, re-import at a larger pixel size and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.